How to mute your group notification on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mute your group notification on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and now click on your group and click on click on your profile up there and click on sound and notifications. Now you have the first option, which is mute notifications. Click on it and you choose mute for 1 hour, 8 hours, and mute for 1 day, for 7 days, or always. For example, choose always, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.